Welcome to PharmaState News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World.
Torrent Pharma recalls over 10.78 lakh bottles of hypertension drug from US. The US-based arm of Torrent Pharmaceuticals is recalling 133,992 bottles of losartan potassium tablets USP in the strength of 25 mg manufactured by the parent company at its Messana facility, the enforcement report of The US FDA said. Barcoding raw materials used in drugs to become mandatory. The Union Health Ministry will make it mandatory for all active pharmaceutical ingredient API packages to be barcoded to detect spurious drugs and monitor imported and indigenously produced raw materials used to manufacture medicines. US FDA approves Teva's generic nasal spray to treat opioid overdose. Almost 400,000 people died from an opioid overdose from 1999 to 2017, the regulator said, citing data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. CDSCO releases data of standard quality (SQ) drugs along with not of standard quality (NSQ) drugs to boost the image of Indian drug manufacturers. 1,888 samples were found to be SQ and 50 samples were found to be NSQ. Earlier, CDSCO used to release data of drugs declared as NSQ by Central Drugs Laboratory (CDL) and regional drugs testing laboratories, denting the image of Indian drug industry, which accounts for 20% of global exports in generics. Centre turns down pharmacists' demand to establish separate section for pharmacy under Union Health Ministry. Ignoring the long-standing demand of the central and state government pharmacists associations, the Union Health Ministry informed them that for dealing with matters related to pharmacy, the government has constituted the Pharmacy Council of India (PCI), which is a statutory body. Local pharma companies to challenge MNCs in pneumonia vaccine space. The duopoly of pneumonia vaccines in India is in for some shake-up soon, as homegrown players like Aurobindo Pharma, Cadila Healthcare, Zydus Cadila, and Serum Institute are readying their vaccine candidates. Indian pharma stocks update. The top gainers are Rocket Pharma Ltd, up 2.8%, and Alembic Pharma, up 0.5%. On the other hand, Strides Pharma Science, down 2.4%, and IPCA Labs, down 2.3%, are among the top losers. Gujarat, 3 companies restrained from launching diabetes medicine. A suit filed by German pharma giant Boehringer Ingelheim Pharma GmbH & Co. KG has claimed a patent on linagliptin metformin hydrochloride tablets. Consumer watchdog petitions FDA for black box warning on Amgen's Prolia. The FDA has warned patients using Amgen's osteoporosis drug Prolia that stopping treatment could lead to an increased risk of spinal fractures. Details you can visit the news link shown with the news bite. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.